Hey guys, okay, so we incubated some chicks, so I thought I'd come show you what they're doing. They're really super cute. Let's see what they're doing. They're over in here in this one coop. Actually, we'll say hi to the other. Hi chickens, what's going on? Yep. So anyway, so let's go check out. I'm gonna flip the camera. See. Hey little guys. We've got 6 of these little guys. They're a mix between barred rocks and Rhode Island Reds. The dad was a Rhode Island Red, and then the 2 hens are the Rhode Island Reds and the barred rocks. How you doing, guys? So they're underneath the light, just trying to keep super hot because they're a few days old. And we've got their food and water for them. We're just kind of hanging out with them. They're growing. They're really sweet. And actually, we might even have a theory, kind of based on listening to people and watching these guys over years. See, there's this one with the white top head, and he's standing really tall. He's probably the rooster because he's, roosters stand really tall to watch over their flock. And the other one's a little bit shorter, kind of always down a little bit. See that one right there in front? What, right there? He's probably a rooster, and he's got a white top on, a friend sold us. So we're going to see if the theory works out. Is he a rooster or not?